Hi friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making cheese quesadillas in the air fryer. To make cheese quesadillas, we need tortillas, shredded cheese, and olive oil. So you can make 2 quesadillas at a time. So I will take two tortillas. And the first step is we need to brush them lightly with olive oil. So I will pour a little bit of oil. And I will use a brush to brush it, to coat the tortilla. The next step would be to assemble the quesadillas. So we need to put cheese inside it. So the side with the oil will be on the outside of the quesadilla. So we need to flip it over so oil is on the bottom. And now I will take shredded cheese. And I will sprinkle cheese on half of each tortilla. And I'm going to fold it over to close the quesadillas. So see, the side with oil is on the outside and cheese is on the inside. So we have 2 quesadillas. Now we will place them in the air fryer basket. And it's a perfect size for fitting 2 quesadillas side by side. And I will use the metal rack on top. This came with the air fryer, and I will put it on top. The reason why I do it, so when the air fryer is cooking, the quesadillas won't open and move around the air fryer. And if you don't have this metal rack, you can put a spoon or anything metal to weigh it down to prevent the quesadillas from moving. So let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And let's set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 4 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's open the basket. And we're going to flip the tortillas over to the other side because they're perfectly golden brown on top, but the bottom is still not browned. So you need an oven mitt because this metal rack is very hot. So let's remove the metal rack. And I'm going to use the spatula to flip over the tortillas. Now, in this air fryer, the bottom side, it actually is a little bit brown. In some models, it would be totally white, but we do need to put it back to brown it on top a little bit more. And now we no longer need to put the metal rack because the cheese has already glued the tortillas together, so they will not be open. So let's put this back in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 2 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these amazing cheese quesadillas, so perfectly crispy and brown. They are amazing, perfectly crispy on the outside and gooey and cheesy on the inside. Super easy to make on the air fryer. For a printable recipe, and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.